Hey guys, welcome to Alex Goes Coconuts. Today I'm going to go over 10 must-haves for your next cruise. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is these luggage tag holders. You want to put your paper luggage tag inside this and put this on your suitcase as you embark on the cruise. This will prevent the luggage tag from falling off, and that way they can always find your luggage, place it in front of your room without the luggage tag being damaged. The second thing I suggest bringing are these metal hooks. You want to buy these magnetic hooks to put on your wall. All the walls on cruises are made of metal, so they clip on really easily, and that way you can hang your hats, your purses, anything you want to get stuff off the floor or off the counters. The next thing you're going to want is a hanging toiletry bag like this. The space inside most cruise bathrooms are very small and you have very little counter space. So hanging all your products like this on the door of your bathroom makes it so much easier to access your stuff, and you can see everything through these clear windows. Toiletry bag. Now, this folds up like this. So it's a super cute little toiletry bag from BagSmart. I highly recommend it, and I'll put the link to this in the description box down below. The next thing I recommend is Poo-Pourri toilet spray. You want to spray a couple of spritzes of this in the toilet before you go, and that way you keep your toilet smelling fresh. And this is a great tip, especially if you're sharing a room with other people. Next thing I recommend is this 3-in-1 charger. This is a little travel charger. You can charge your phone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods all at once. I usually keep this right here, right next to my bed on the little night table right here, so I can have easy access to my stuff during the evening. All right, the next thing you're gonna wanna bring is some Downy wrinkle release spray, just because you can't bring any irons or steamers on the cruise ships. So using this, you're gonna spray some onto your clothes as you unpack them, straighten them out, and then hang them in your cupboard. And that way, all your clothes are gonna be wrinkle-free. All right, so the next thing on my list is sunscreen. You definitely wanna bring a full bottle of sunscreen to protect you from the sun. So many people burn on their cruises, and make sure to apply some on the first day, on embarkation day, because that's when most people ignore it and they have sunburns for the rest of the trip. The next thing I recommend is Aloe Vera gel. If you do end up having a sunburn, you can apply this on your body and soothe those sunburns, and it helps with the healing process so you can get over that sunburn a lot faster. The next thing I recommend bringing is some sort of hat to protect the top of your head to prevent heat stroke and, sunburns. Either a ball cap like this or a little sun hat like this, just so you can wear it around the boat, or if you're going on an excursion, you could protect the top of your head from that harsh sun. And the last thing I recommend is a good little travel backpack like this, or a travel duffel bag like this. For embarkation day, you want to bring an extra pair of clothing in here, extra undergarments, maybe a bathing suit so that you can go swimming on embarkation day, because often you won't get your luggage until much later in the afternoon. You want to pack everything in your little carry-on backpack and have access to it. Now, in your carry-on backpack, I do suggest that you bring your passports and your paperwork for embarkation. Don't forget that in your luggage, because then they won't let you embark.
All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other suggestions. I'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy travels. Bye.